Franklin coming over to play, growing a little every day. Here he comes with all his friends. They've got stories, got time to spend with you. Hey, it's Franklin coming to your house. Hey, it's Franklin coming to my house. Hey, it's Franklin.
Franklin's canoe trip. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He liked walking to the library and riding his bicycle to the playground. But some places aren't quite so easy to get to.
Wow, neat! Look at all the stuff in your canoe.
That was taken during a canoe trip I went on with Mr. Beaver years ago. That's all our food and supplies. We were out in the wilderness for a long time.
Gee, that sounds like fun.
Nice rain hat, Dad.
That's me on a portage. When you can't get to the next lake by paddling, you have to carry everything, just like a voyageur.
Voyageur?
They were early adventurers who traveled across the country by canoe.
Wow, being a voyageur sure sounds like fun.
Yeah. Hey, Dad, do you think you could take us on a canoe trip?
You know, I do miss the call of the loons echoing across a lake in the evening.
Then we can go?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Yippee! Paddle, paddle, paddle your canoe gently across the lake.
Merrily, 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 life's a piece of cake.
I feel like a voyageur already.
Me too. How long will it take us to get to Lookout Lake, Dad?
If all goes well, we should be there by tomorrow afternoon.
Oh, boy!
Onward to Lookout Lake, men. Paddle, paddle, paddle your canoe gently cross the lake.
Merrily, 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 life's a piece of cake.
According to the map, the first portage should be just past this next bend.
Did you hear that, Franklin? We're going on a portage.
Just like real voyageurs, right, Dad?
That's right. Just like real voyageurs.
Get out of here!
It's following you, Franklin.
I know it is.
Don't worry, Franklin. I'll get it the next time it lands on you. Missed.
Bear.
Missed again.
Bear?
Don't worry, I'll get him next time for sure. Hold still. Hit.
Don't tell me you missed again.
Sorry, Franklin, but he's fast and smart.
I think your hat is worse than the fly.
Care for a little treat, boys?
A treat?
Candies?
No, these are dried apricots.
Oh,
Ew.
After you've carried that load, you can come back and help carry the rest of the gear.
there's more?
Uh-huh. Sleeping bags and another couple of packs. Just 3 more portages to our campsite, boys. You're doing great.
3 more portages? Oh.
done.
It sure will be fun having our own tent.
Yeah, I'm so tired I could go to sleep right now.
Me too.
Would you boys like a bite to eat?
We'd like lots of bites.
What did you call this stuff, Dad?
Hiker's Delight. A satisfying blend of grains and currants to give you the energy you need.
I'm using up all my energy just chewing it.
I think we should be eating voyageur food, Dad.
That would be called pemmican. Dried meat, pounded into a paste and mixed with fat.
Ew, I think I'll stick with Hiker's Delight.
Me too, Bear.
Yeah. Hey, Franklin. Are you awake?
Yeah? How can I get to sleep with that mosquito in here?
Maybe if I open the flap, it'll fly out. Shoo, get out of here. Oh no!
Quick, shut the flap!
The zipper's stuck.
Take cover, Bear! Hey, Bear, are you awake?
Yeah,
I think I'm too tired to get up.
I'm too tired to think about getting up.
Pancakes!
Pancakes.
Sounds like someone's hungry.
I'm always hungry for pancakes.
Here's the maple syrup. Oh no! I'm okay, Bear.
The syrup! Well, I think there's a little bit left.
Oh. I guess being voyageurs isn't as much fun as we thought it would be.
Oh, it sure sounded like lots of fun.
It's a lot more work than fun.
It'd be a lot more fun if the bugs would leave us alone.
And if we weren't so tired.
And if we had syrup for our pancakes.
Should we ask my dad if we can go home?
Gee, Franklin, it was our idea to come in the first place.
How are my two young voyageurs? Raring to go?
Yeah. I guess so.
You know, this canoe trip was a great idea.
Yeah, Dad, it sure was. How much farther is Lookout Lake?
I'm not sure. Maybe an hour,
An hour?
2 hours at the most. Well, what do you think?
It's nice, I guess. But it kind of looks like all the other lakes.
I've got a surprise to show you.
You do?
What kind of surprise?
Follow me.
I didn't know it would mean more work.
We're almost there.
It feels like we've been climbing forever.
My legs are tired.
It's not much farther now.
Wow,
Neat! I
I can see for miles.
Now I know why it's called Lookout Lake.
You boys should be very proud of yourselves. You overcame a lot of obstacles to get here. And there were times I was worried that you might just give up. But you came through with flying colors.
Yeah, I guess we did.
Yeah, Franklin, we are real voyageurs.
You certainly are. And that calls for a celebration. Who wants a snack?
I'm not really, that hungry. How about you, Bear?
Don't worry. I left the dried apricots down at the campsite.
Marshmallows!
You hold these while I get a fire going.
Don't squish them, Bear.
I'm just giving them a little hug. Okay, Franklin, they're golden brown.
Delicious.
Perfect. Mr. Turtle, did voyageurs eat marshmallows?
No, I don't believe so.
They do now.
Franklin's interview. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He could zip zippers and button buttons. He could find special stones to skip. But one day, he couldn't find someone special to interview.
I'm home.
Hello, Franklin. How was school today?
Good. But my homework is even better.
Oh?
We have to interview someone and find out what makes them special.
Well, that sounds like fun. Who do you think you'll interview?
I don't know yet.
Dear, have you run out of things to iron?
Leaves?
Harriet picked up some autumn leaves this afternoon. Ironing keeps them looking nice.
Nice for what?
For her leaf collection.
Gee, Mom, maybe if Harriet collects all the leaves in our yard, I won't have to rake them. I'll get it. Hi, Beaver.
Hi, Franklin.
Can I go outside and play?
Actually, I didn't come to see you.
You didn't?
Nope. Today I'm here to see your parents.
You want to play with my parents?
No, silly. I want to interview them for my presentation.
Of course, Beaver. We'd be happy to oblige.
Yes, it's very flattering.
Thank you.
Gee, Beaver, you're getting an early start on your interview.
Well, I didn't want anyone else to get to your parents first.
Hey, maybe I could interview your parents.
That's a good idea, but Badger's already chosen them.
Really? Oh, well, Mr. and Mrs. Badger are pretty special, too. Maybe I can...
Too late. Rabbit's interviewing them.
Who am I going to interview?
Don't worry. I'm sure you'll find someone, son.
That's right. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a lot of questions to cover, Franklin. Now then, is leaf collecting something special that all turtles do?
No, it's just something that one special turtle does. Harriet.
Interesting. Do turtles ever wear turtleneck sweaters?
On cold winter days, that's what I like to wear.
Hi, Harriet.
Lincoln?
Look what I brought you.
Leaf! Bunny want leaf! Up, 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 up!
3, 2, 1, blast off! I brought you this beautiful leaf as a present.
Pretty leaf. Big leaf.
It's almost as big as you are, Bunny. What are you doing?
Bunny flying kite.
Wow, You have a very good imagination, Harriet.
Imagination?
Yes, imagination.
Is your oatmeal too hot, Harriet?
Hot, hot, hot.
Here, let me add some milk to cool it down.
No.
I'd like some, please, Dad.
Sure.
Again? Me.
Oh, now you want some. Okay.
I guess I don't know how to pour it the way you do, Franklin.
Thank you, Franklin.
You're welcome.
Franklin, have you given any more thought to who you're going to interview?
Yep, Mr. Mole.
He's a good choice. President of the Chamber of Commerce, local historian, horticulturist, bird watcher.
I knew he was special, but I didn't know he was that special. I'd better go and ask him before someone else does.
I think it's still a little too early on a Saturday morning to go knocking on doors.
Why don't you prepare your questions and we can go over later this morning?
Questions. Good idea, Dad.
How are your questions coming along, Franklin?
It's hard to think of things to ask. I found a list Beaver left behind. She had a lot of questions.
Oh, she sure did.
But I can't copy any of these because they're mostly about turtle stuff. What do you do when you outgrow your shell? How do you get crumbs out of your shell? How often do you polish your shell? See what I mean?
Beaver felt that having a shell was something that makes us special. You probably have a different idea of what makes Mr. Mole special.
He always carries a roll of peppermints in his pocket. I think that's special.
There you go. You could ask him about that.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom. Gee, everybody in the whole neighborhood's been interviewed already.
Oh, I'm sure you'll find someone, son.
Here, stick, Franklin.
My own stick? Thanks, Harriet.
Hey, wait up!
Hello,
Hi,
Beaver.
Mr. Turtle, I've got a few more questions I'd like to ask. It should only take a few minutes.
I thought you'd covered every detail, but go ahead.
Thanks. Is it true that you can tell a turtle's age by looking at its shell?
How do you know that? I didn't even know that. Where are you getting all these questions?
I think maybe someone is a little worried because they haven't started their homework yet.
I've started. I've even got a big list of questions. I'm just looking for someone extra special, that's all.
Now, it's all right, Franklin. Let's give Beaver a chance to finish her questions.
Sorry.
Now then, about your shell.
I've got to find someone to interview today.
Hi, Franklin.
Hi, Beaver.
I just wondered if your parents would like to see my presentation.
Beaver, that's very thoughtful of you.
I haven't even started.
In closing, a shell isn't the only thing that I found special about Mr. and Mrs. Turtle. All the time and help they gave me with this presentation makes them special, too.
Thank you, Beaver.
Yes, that was a wonderful presentation.
I'm so glad you liked it.
It was a very good presentation, Beaver.
I'm sure yours will be just as good, Franklin.
If I have a presentation.
Pretty picture.
Thank you, Harriet.
Franklin, draw with me?
Sure, Harriet. Drawing sounds like fun.
Pretty picture.
Wow, this is very pretty, Harriet.
This Franklin, this Harriet, this leaves.
We're having fun jumping in the leaves.
Jump, jump, jump. Franklin picture.
Gee, thanks, Harriet. Where do you think we should put it?
Bye, Franklin. I'm going now.
Look at the nice picture Harriet just gave me.
Hey, that's good. You're giving that nice picture to Franklin?
Mm-hmm.
He must be a very special big brother.
And she's a special little sister.
Franklin hug?
Here you are. You were so quiet, I wondered where you were.
Harriet's helping me with my homework.
Really?
Yeah, I'm interviewing Harriet.
Harriet's your special person?
Sure. She's always, well, mostly fun to be with.
Fun!
She sure cheered me up this weekend when I was worried about this project.
Is that right?
Yep, look at the picture she made for me.
Harriet certainly thinks her big brother's special.
I know. I didn't have to look all over the neighborhood for somebody special. Harriet was right here all the time.
And I think you're both very special.
I know, Mom.